EdExplore SRQ 2.0 is really working on having those partnerships with our providers and all the wonderful organizations out in our community to connect to the classroom.
We have our oncoming explorations from the EdExplore Next grants. All of our organizations that really developed new explorations because they heard a need.
One of the great things that's happening because of these grants is we're really getting the chance to collaborate with some of our partner organizations in town and really plan how we see ourselves moving forward and how we can work together to make really meaningful learning experiences for our students.
So with these next grants, we're really excited because there's going to be a technology portion where they're actually interacting in the classroom before they go into the field and visit and actually experience nature in a really authentic way.
Selby Gardens has been fortunate to receive 2 grants from the Patterson Foundation. One of them is to create curriculum for our new Children's Rainforest Garden, which is slated to open in the fall.
With the excitement of the EdExplorations, where the whole communities come together, both students and organizations, the Patterson Foundation is interested in thrivability, so that children today and children decades, centuries from now will all be able to have experiential learning.